In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly with Google Calendar in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your scheduling process or simply ensure all your appointments are in one place, integrating these two tools is a game changer. Let's walk you through the process step by step to make sure you get it done smoothly. First, visit the Calendly website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the option to log in. Click on Log In to begin. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to sign up first, but assuming you already have one, go ahead and enter your details to access your account. Next, to make the process even easier, choose the option to Continue with Google. Selecting this will prompt you to pick the Google account you want to associate with Calendly. If you're already logged into multiple Google accounts, ensure you select the correct one that has access to your calendar. This step helps streamline the integration as it directly links your Google profile to Calendly's scheduling tools. Once you've logged into your account, direct your attention to the left panel of the Calendly dashboard. Look for the Availability section and click on it. This tab allows you to manage the days and times you're available for meetings, ensuring your Google Calendar reflects accurate and updated availability. After clicking Availability, you should navigate to the Calendar Settings tab at the top. This is where the magic happens. It's the hub for connecting your calendars and configuring your scheduling preferences to make sure everything is synchronized. Proceed now by finding and clicking on Google Calendar. This option will enable the integration between Calendly and Google Calendar, thereby syncing all your scheduled events effortlessly. With both systems connected, you'll be able to manage your appointments from one place, significantly simplifying your scheduling process. Click on Connect, which will initiate the process of linking the two accounts. A prompt will appear asking you to authenticate your Google account. Go ahead and choose the Google Calendar account you wish to sync with and complete this authentication. This step is crucial as it grants Calendly permission to access your calendar, ensuring that your schedules are always up to date. Upon successful authentication, your Google Calendar should now be connected with Calendly. You'll see your schedules reflected across both platforms, preventing any overlap or double bookings. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up Calendly with Google Calendar. With this integration, scheduling will be more efficient and organized, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.